Okay, so it's day 2 of our journey. We are in Adak, first morning. Woke up about an hour ago, got breakfast, we packed up, we're almost ready to hit the road and go get some caribou. So yeah, super excited.
Adak facility in our
super excited.
Some here was prime. Yeah. This zone here was prime.
Super enjoyable. The sun's out a little bit. Well, in Adak wise, the sun's out.
Is caribou, but from down below we probably won't see any white on them. What we'll see is gray. So we're looking for gray objects in gray rocks that don't belong in the gray rocks. Most likely they're going to be bedded down up there in the cliffs. Long of a shot.
So our first big cliffy thing here. It's above Middle Earth here. Just above it.
Staying quiet, and yeah, just saw a caribou, and we're looking down the valley at it, and we're gonna have to get in a little closer, I'm pretty sure, but it's really windy, and I layered up to get a little warmer, and yeah, I really hope that we get this caribou. It would be an amazing thing. Yes, so see you later.
Okay, so we just dropped down from the mountains over here, from the ridge, and we dropped down into the valley. We're heading back up the next ridge line. We're hoping we can sneak up on some caribou up in the next valley. Gorgeous day. A little bit tough visibility for glassing, but it's not raining on us presently, so knock on wood there.
Okay, so we found some tracks, and we think that they were from this morning, because if they weren't from this morning, then they would have been washed away by the rain. So we're just about to take a look with some rifles, and we gotta be super quiet. So I'll show you, and hope there's some caribou right on the other side of this little. Okay, so we see 2 cows
3 caribou. We've gotten 3 caribou, okay? So I'm going to check out the one that my dad got. So awesome.